Hello Mzansi, Thabo is back in court today. He is wearing a Louis Vuitton neck monogram which is worth 18,000 rand. His court appearance was held virtually at the Mampuru prison. The case has been postponed to the 8th of August 2023. The NPA says that the police are hoping to arrest 3 more suspects and they are still checking the bank records of those who are still in custody. Now, on the other hand, Dr. Nandipa is still getting used to the prison environment. Her eyebrows are on fleek, and as she enters the courtroom, she waves and smiles at her father, Uzolile Sikelani. Now, Mzansi, both Zolile Sikelani and Dr. Nandipa Makhudumana, as they appear in court in connection with the Thabo Bester escape. Just on Sunday, we were celebrating Father's Day. So it is evident enough that, that smile and the wave was warranted, in regards to Father's Day. So it was really necessary for Dr. Nandipa to act that way. Besides, she is, queening. She is slaying. New hairstyle, eyebrows on fleek, red lipstick, According to Chris Halder Lewis, Thabo Bester's lawyer, Advocate Jeremiah Pilla, might be withdrawing from the case and a new lawyer is likely to be placed on record. Now, lastly, Mzansi, Zolile Sikelani and Nastasia will remain on bail while others will remain behind bars until the 8th of August. Mzansi, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Mugozi. Bye bye.